What's going on, everyone? Today is the 27th of June, 2023. We're going to talk about GameStop today because we're going to try to make sense of the recent price action in GameStop. All right, I'm going to help you and show you what's really going on into the market in GameStop, because the price is not going the way that I expected it to go on June the 14th. I did a price prediction in GameStop looking for the market to go higher, and immediately price completely fell off the cliff. We're not even seeing indicators of strength on the chart in GameStop. We need to talk about this, because if the market is not going the way that you expected it to go, then what's the point of holding on to it? We're going to talk about it, so let's go ahead and do it real quick. Now, the first thing I wanted to show you is that GameStop was doing a fantastic job in beginning of May, completely moving up. Like, that was a very substantive move. Like, the market held its weight. The buyers completely moved the market from low of around 18.20 all the way up to like 27 bucks. Fantastic move. That they was controlling the yard. But after we hit that $27 price, they left. Like, the buyers just completely fell off, left. They wasn't interested in continuing to push this price higher in GameStop, because the market action, look at this. We're coming right back down. We went up, and now we're coming right back down. That's a major problem. Now, what could be the reason as to why seemingly it looks as if the buyers left at $27? We have to zoom out and see the price chart, because this is the reason why. We've been here before, nothing new here. This is the reason why GameStop is not breaking out. It's because of all of these sellers here in the market and GameStop here. The sellers also were playing a fantastic job of not allowing the buyers to break price above $27 or $28. They were doing it here in October 2022 all the way until December the 5th, 2022. This was a major lid. And as price in GameStop attempted to do it this month in June, what is going on again? $28 is still being seen as resistance. That is the reason why price in GameStop is not breaking out. So if we're not breaking out, if the market is not wanting to move above 28, then who are we to say it should be? This is just like an auction. If people don't want to buy above 28, then okay, they just didn't want to buy. So obviously, if they're not buying above 28, then the market's not ready to break out. It's not ready to go higher than that. We got to wait. So what I'm going to do here, seeing that $28 is still firm, we're going to go ahead and get rid of this price for this, because it's not working out. So if we were to get on the last trade of yesterday, that would have been 14.65% loss right there. Now, if we're not looking for price to go up, then obviously there's a greater chance for price in GameStop to go down. Okay. So let's go ahead and focus on the downtrend. Okay. It's not a very strong stock. If anything, we're going to maintain a trading channel in GameStop. Okay. And this is where that trading channel currently is. We have one around 20 bucks, and then the ultimate one is down around 15.50. So we can do that. Hold the market around 15.50. And as you can tell, there's a very wide range. Now, it doesn't mean that we can't make money in between these two lines, because we can. This is where timing of buying and selling the stock becomes more important. Okay. That's where it becomes more important. Looking at GameStop here on the 2-day time frame. Again, I don't see any indicators of strength right now. And the sad part is, if we were looking for strength, we would want to have seen the buyers hold this line here. But now, what is price doing? It is below this area, 24 bucks. Okay. We may see it come back up today, go above $24. Here's on the 3-day time frame. Take a look at GameStop on the 5-day. And again, that's still some weakness. The selling began here, and it bled into the last 5 days of trading. Okay. Here it is on the weekly. 2 weeks, 3, 5, and here's the monthly. So I'm not really seeing that much weakness though. Like, that's the crazy part. The market doesn't seem extremely oversold, but we can tell that it is weak. Like, look at that on 210-minute chart. No buyers is coming into the market just yet in GameStop. So I think we're going to go a little bit lower. I'm not going to say a crash, but I think price is going to go lower in GameStop. $22 had to be my first target for GameStop. So we got 22. Second target would be like $20.50 to 20. Definitely 20. So rather than me talk about it, let me go ahead and put it on the chart for you. Okay, so we're gonna look for the market in GameStop to go down. That first target is 22. 4.72% move to the downside from where the price currently is in pre-market. Second target will be like 20.50 to like $20. We'll do it $20.50. That's 11.21% move to the downside. We'll hold market around $26 as well, meaning that if price continues to trade below that $26, then from our perspective, the market has a greater chance of going lower. Okay. There it is right there. And we're done. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.